Benvenuti in Firenze!
Nakatawid na kami ng Italy, finally.
I'm here now at the Leaning Tower of Pisa. I'm now in Florence. Good morning, guys. It's day 9 of our Europe tour, and today is November 18. Time check, it's 5:20 in the morning. And andito pa rin kami sa Switzerland at Vindervilstown. So today, we're leaving Switzerland and we're going to the town of Tuscany in Italy. Before we arrive in Tuscany, we will be passing by the town of Como in Lombardy. So, ang current weather daw doon is 4 degrees Celsius, but I decided not to wear thermal wear on the top, dito lang sa baba. Kasi most of the time, nasa nasa bus lang naman kami. And then, saglit lang kami mag-explore sa town ng Lake ng Como, particularly in Lake Como. Once we arrive there, we will be staying at Hotel Montebello. But this one, Hotel Montebello is located at Montecatini Terni Pitti, Italy. Part of the Tuscan region pala. So, ayan, I'm so excited to see the Lake Como and have Tuscany dinner. Tuscany dinner ba? Or lunch? Ayan, basta may optional excursion kaming in-avail, yung Tuscany meal. I'm not sure, nakalimutan ko kung lunch or dinner. Basta yun, 50 euros din yun. Ay, nako. Kaya pag talaga kayo, save, and then travel. Work hard, play hard. Yun ang motto ko. So, 6:30 na naman ulit ang call time namin for breakfast, and then we will be leaving at 7 a.m. From here, from Vindersville to Como, it's around 3 hours drive, more or less. And then from Como to Tuscan region where we're going to stay is around 4 hours more or less. It's breakfast time, guys, and wala namang babo, yun pa rin. Wala lang yung quiche. Cold cuts, bread, cakes. So that's it. So guys, paalis na kami. They're loading our bags already. And bye, Switzerland! I'm gonna miss you. Switzerland is now one of my favorite countries. I think next to Japan. Yun lang. Grabe. Ganda dito. Super scenic. Super beautiful country. Super organized. Super clean. Everything is pristine. Yun lang. So, bye! We're on our last pit stop here in Switzerland, and nakabili ako na ito, Lindt chocolate finally. Cheesecake kasi dun sa yung Frau Joch. Hindi na ako nakabili kasi pasakay na kami sa bus. Nagmamadali na si Roma. So at least before ako mag-say goodbye sa Switzerland, nakabili ako. And look at that view. Ayan, mamimiss ko ang Switzerland. So, hopping on the bus now. May late po, may late.
This lake, half of it it's Italy, half of it is actually Switzerland, because the lake has a different legs. It's like almost like a river channeling in different directions. And this is where we pretty much know that we are approaching the Italian border. And we're going to the Lake Como, very luscious mountain. So Alps here looks a bit different compared to Switzerland. It's very foresty, it's very much so has a beautiful flowers and the flowering bushes, etc. So that's what gives the charms pretty much so for the area.
So guys, we're now at the town of Como in Lombardy region. Nakatawid na kami ng Italy, finally. This is almost the last leg of our Europe tour. Our tour guide is giving us around 30 to 40 minutes to explore this town and guide us to the Lake Como.
Darling, so now I'm gonna give you a free time, so thank you for walking quite fast.
Hey guys, we're now in Lake Como or part of Lake Como. Parang expectation versus reality. Maganda sa movie, pero pag andito ka na, pwede na. Kasi mas maganda pag may mga villa. Ito kasi parang harbor, para siyang pier, ganon ang dating. Malayo kasi pag mga villa-villa na. So, ayun. Ayan. That's Lake Como. You can see over there, may mga barko. But it's surrounded by buildings around the lake.
Okay.
Ayan, ang cute to, ng mga ducks and swan. Swan, that's swan. Geese. Geese.
So guys, we're on a pit stop here in Italy. It's just a short break, 30 minutes lang. So I just grabbed few sandwiches. Ito, masarap to. Pag nandito kayo sa Italy, try nyo to. But this one, I still have to try this one. And since di ako na masyado nakabili ng Lindt chocolate sa Switzerland, look at this guys. It's on sale. My creme brulee. And then mousse, dark mousse, and then pistachio. Ano lang to, naka-sale. Pag bibili ka ng tatlo, naka 30% off. So, ang nabayaran ko is around 15 euros. O, diba? And ito, masarap din tong iced tea nila. Beach flavor. Grab this if you're in Italy, tapos medyo short na kayo sa euro. And of course, here's our bus. Picture? Picture na
Ends with today when we see the any documentary. See on the right hand side where the crane.
Choo choo! Choo choo! So guys, nandito na kami ngayon sa town of Pisa para bisitahin ang Leaning Tower of Pisa, the famous tower here in Italy. And we're now riding the train para matipid kami sa oras kasi the sun is going down now. We need to be there when there's still light. So, ayan. So, train kami ngayon. And that's the driver over there.
So this is the Miracle Plaza, And kaya siya tinawag na Miracle Plaza because it's still a miracle that the Leaning Tower of Pisa, that one, is still standing up to this day. Despite the wars, earthquake, kasi nga nag-earthquake din dito sa Italy. So, it's really a miracle. Marami ding pinagdaanan tong tower na to. All the renovations just to, keep it standing, keep it straight. The more na nag-try silang i-renovate, the more the building got damaged. So, ginawa nila, kasi nga yung ground that it's standing on is hindi siya solid kasi may tubig daw dito sa ilalim. It's a sandy ground and naaanod siya ng water. Kaya, unti-unti siya naglilim. Ito yung structure, guys, ng Leaning Tower of Pisa. Yung foundation pala. Yan. Hi, Leaning Tower of Pisa! See you next time, hopefully with my son. So, nandito na kami sa Montecatini Terma, where we'll be staying. I forgot the name of the hotel, but let me just do a quick room tour. Pagpasok nyo, ito makikita nyo. Twin room, tapos ewan ko ba't may extra bed kami. And then, ito, desk, mini fridge, cabinet. And then, here's the toilet. One moment. Yan. Yan. It's a nice room, actually. Spacious din. Yan. Yan. Love it. I love the room. Gotta go, guys, because we'll be having dinner before we call it a night. Hey, guys, we're heading out for dinner, and the group has decided, our group actually, has decided to have some Chinese food. Kasi namimiss na nila mag-rice. You know, it's a nation thing. Rice is life, diba? So, ayan, hinahanap pa ng team leader namin, kapatid ko, where is the nearest Chinese restaurant. Montecatini is just a tiny town. Wala nang masyadong tao ganitong oras. Sabi ng tour guide namin, Montecatini has lots of hotels. So guys, nandito na yung food finally. Medyo slow yung service nila dito. But taste-wise, yung ibang food, it's a hit. And then yung iba naman, it's a miss. So, ito. Try natin ang sweet and sour pork. Let's try. Okay lang. Mas masarap pa yung sweet and sour pork. Oh. Not that great, not that bad. Let's try the dumplings. Okay. Okay yung dumpling. Pero mas okay yung siguro kung mainit pa. Pero since matagal dumating yung food, lumamig na yung dumpling ko. Pwede na. Dahil ilang araw na kami hindi kumakain ng rice. So we're craving something Asian. So pwede na to. It's a hit and miss, and yun lang. Slow ang service, as I've said earlier. And small ang portion. So kung gutom na gutom kayo, this is not the right place to be. Mura siya, yun, affordable siya. But the portion is according to the price. Pag nag-crave kayo ng Chinese food, pwede, but don't expect too much. Ibang-iba pa rin talagang, yung mga Chinese restaurants sa Asia. And para sa akin, medyo bland yung food nila. And siguro, inadapt nila sa taste ng mga Italians. And guys, pag katapos nyo kumain and you get the bill, don't forget to check the prices. Kasi minsan, may na-add na price na hindi dapat nandun. And always keep in mind that there's a table charge. 13 lang yung bill ko dapat, but I paid $14.50 because of the table charge. So always check the receipt before you pay. Good morning, guys. It's day 10 of our Europe tour, and it's November 19. Time check, it's 6:30 in the morning. We're just waiting for our breakfast call time, which is at 7 a.m. And then we'll depart Montecatini at 7:45.
in the morning. Current temperature right now is 11 degrees Celsius. And then we're going to Florence today. Bale, yun na yung last leg ng Europe adventure namin. And according to the weather, there is a chance of rain pagdating namin doon. Pero sana naman hindi umulan, no? Kasi ang pangit maglakad-lakad pag umuulan. Basically, what we're going to do in Florence is there's a walking tour. And then during lunchtime, we opted for the optional excursion, which is a Tuscan family lunch. So we're excited to do that. We're excited to try the Tuscany cuisine. After exploring Florence, sadly, we will be heading back to Rome, which is the end of our tour. Parang ang bilis ng 10 days. Actually, 13 days kami dito sa Europe because we traveled in advance to Rome before joining the tour. Nag-allot kami ng 3 days extra to explore Rome. And now, ang bilis ng panahon, ito, pabalik na kami ng Rome and pabalik na kami ng Abu Dhabi tomorrow. Well, it's a bittersweet. Namimiss ko na rin yung anak ko. So, parang uwing-uwi na din ako at I'm sure namimiss na din ako ng anak ko. So, there's the breakfast, guys. Nakakamiss yung yung bacon. Walang bacon, Jai. Sarap pa naman nun i-pair sa pancake. Let's eat! So guys, nandito na kami sa loob ng bus and time check, it's 8 in the morning. The temperature outside is 11 degrees. So, medyo malamig. Actually, umulan kanina. And buti na lang pag-alis namin ng hotel, on the way to the bus, tumigil na yung ulan. So, that's a good sign. Hopefully, pagdating namin ng Florence, or in Italian, they call it Firenze, wala nang ulan. Kasi nga, di ba, pangit mag-ikot-ikot pag umuulan. So, I hope wala ring traffic kasi it's Monday today. So everybody is rushing to somewhere. Ayan, lumalabas na yung sun. So it's a good sign. So see you mamaya sa Firenze. Now in Florence! So beautiful. Sayang, nagtago ang sun. Maganda sana yan, no? Pag na-touch ng golden rays of sun. This is the replica of Michelangelo's David. Yan. Hindi na makita. Kasi against the sunlight.
One small family bank becomes the bank of...
So guys, we're now at the city center and behind me is the River Arno. Pupunta kami sa isang leather store to learn the art of making leather goods. And then after that, we will be having a walking tour around Florence. And the city of Florence pala is where the Renaissance or the rebirth started.
family house and you want to sell your items for the people, you would have that sort of window. Could be for olive oil, could be for the wine, whatever it is. You should be the bell, you ring it, and people who holding the house would open that window and refill your jar for the wine, for example. So this is one of those. It was forgotten, nobody spoke about it.
Smells like leather.
please make a semicircle all around here. Sorry, I'm not allowed for filming. I'm sorry.
I'll see you. So guys, galing na kami sa leather store and thankfully hindi ako nabudol. Although na-tempt ako guys. May maliit kasi na wallet doon with parang coin purse at the back na gustong-gusto ko. Pero pinipigilan ko lang yung sarili ko guys. May isa kami kasama na nabudol. So, ayun. Damage ang wallet niya. Ako naman mark safe. We're about to start our walking tour. And ito, meron kami parang audio guide. While nagsasalita siya, naririnig namin siya. So, kahit makalayo kami sa line, we'll still be able to hear her. I'm excited to show you around Florence. See you! So, siya si Anna, our tour guide here in Florence.
You can follow me. We start with camera and simple. They will say, my name is. And the meeting is because we really.
So beautiful here, guys. So guys, we're standing on a bridge. Ito lang daw yung bridge na na-save during the World War. And it's now surrounded with shops. Amazing, di ba? So guys, we're now here at Osteria dei Baroncelli. I hope I pronounced that right, for our Tuscany lunch.
Thank you, grazie.
It's just a start. Then you're gonna have a first course, and a second course, and then you have a dessert as well.
So guys, we're now on the starters or the antipasto. What's this?
Yes, tartino cheese with and sausage, olives, and mushrooms.
Okay, thank you. Sausage, olives, mushroom. Para siyang bruschetta. It's good. Sarap ng olive, ha? Then you get to try prosciutto. Ooh, bayad. Let's try the sausage. Pero mas bet ko yung olives. Yummy! Now let's try the mushrooms. Out of the three. A hint of truffle. So guys, the pasta is here. Lagyan lang natin ng parmesan. O parmesan. Oh. Excited for the pasta, guys. Al dente. Red tomato siya. Sarap siguro ito pag white sauce. I prefer white sauce. Nakaka-happy yung food nila, guys. Busog na busog ka. Sulit talaga yung 50 euros na binayad namin. I love Italian food talaga. Pwede ba kaiwan dito sa Italy? If you know me, guys, love ko talaga ang pasta and pizza. So here's our dessert, guys. Vanilla ice cream. So creamy. What a great way to end our meal today. Delicioso. So overall, guys, napakasulit ng binayan namin. 50 euros yung price ng total lunch package. May kasama ng wine and a 3-course meal. Ang generous pa ng portion nila. Pag nag-join kayo ng ganitong tour, I recommend this optional excursion. Pag gusto nyo bumili ng leather, guys, pwede din dito sa market nila. Kung namamahalan kayo sa mga shops. Guys, good ako. From 45 euros, 40 na lang siya. So nice. Kasi hindi ako nakapulin, so ito na lang. Ang bait pa ni tatay. Nakatawad ako ng 5 euros. Look. Budol finds! Dito kaya kay Kay tatay.
Nalulunod na.
Ayaw ko hindi! Guys, we're now on our way back to the bus. And magpapaalam na kami sa city of Florence. Kaya pala, favorite siya na kapatid ko because it's such a beautiful city. Parang gusto ko na din tumira dito. Lahat na lang na pinupuntahan ko, gusto ko nang tumira dito. Charot. Florence is full of history. Alam mo yun, lahat ng mga famous na Renaissance artists nandito, like Leonardo da Vinci, Michelangelo, even Machiavelli is galing dito. So, alam mo yun, parang very talented, very intelligent. Kaya nga sabi, di ba, the city of Florence started the Renaissance. Or dito pinanganak ang concept ng Renaissance.
And then, gusto kong bumalik dito kasi ang dami pa dapat i-explore. Kulang ang isang araw para i-explore ang isang museum kasi nga, it's very rich in history. And then, kahit saan ka pumunta, parang may story.
Please stay safe. Guys, we're back in Rome, so it's meaning what, guys? Pickpockets, okay? So be super safe if you're gonna go into the central Rome, especially if you're staying by the Termini station. This is like a bloody pickpocket central.
Bye-bye! Guys, we're now back in Rome and we're trying to book a cab back to the city center. Medyo mahirap pag large taxis. Pero pag good for 2 passengers, madali lang. We're a group and the charge na yung sister ko ng 35 euros. So, I don't know what will happen from here. So, we'll update na lang namin kayo pag nakarating na kami ng hotel namin. So, guys, nakabook na kami ng taxi. And we're almost there. Bali 3 taxi ang nabook namin kasi hindi kasya yung mga luggages namin. Yung binook na large taxi ng kapatid ko hindi nag-push through pero na-charge na siya. Ewan ko kung bakit. So, check ko yung Google Map kung ilang minutes na lang. Mga 28 minutes pa. Traffic, pero yung mga kapatid ko nandun na sila. Nauna na sila. Kasi medyo kami yung last na nakasakay, ng taxi. Nakakuha ng taxi. Medyo mahirap kasi doon kasi malayo yung parang stopping point ng tour namin. Hey guys, we're now here at our hotel. Actually Airbnb pala. And the name of the Airbnb is Dream Station. And the good thing about this Airbnb is it's just right across the Roma Termini station. So I'll do a quick room tour. Ito yung door. Ano siya, ang tawag ito, parang yung machine lock, tawag dyan, security lock. So, ito yung CR, una. Yan. So, red. It's my toilet. And then shower. Yan. And then, ito na yung may 3 beds, one. So, 1 single bed and queen size bed. And then my full length mirror here. Yan. Yan. And then small desk. And then parang sofa. And then here's the Roma Termini station, guys. Yan. So tamang-tama. Bukas around 9 a.m. ang flight namin back to Abu Dhabi. And tatawid na lang kami dyan. We already have a bus booked at 5:20 in the morning. So dyan kami sasakay. Diba? Very convenient. So, magre-repack kami ng things namin kasi ang dami naming binili. Mga pasalubong. And then, ano pa ba? We'll also try to go to the money changer kasi may room tax na binabayaran dito aside dun sa room price na binayaran nyo. And we have to pay it by cash. And wala na akong euro. So, I need to change my dollars into euros. Yun lang. So, here's my carbonara, guys. We started with a carbonara here on our first day. And then we ended with a carbonara on our last day. So, let's eat.
Walang guys, medyo dilemma tayo, nahulog lahat.
Al dente. Sobrang creamy niya, guys. Sakto lang yung ano niya, yung seasoning niya. Well seasoned. Hindi salty. Ano yung mga bacon. Lasang-lasa mo din.
Okay naman
Love this.
siya. Honestly, it's very familiar. Hindi naman siya pagano. Ito yung mas pinaka-close na nagagawa ko sa bahay. It's very close kasi
Namimiss ko tong
mas
carbonara.
pizza tomato, mozzarella. It's a bit rubbery for some reason. Okay naman siya.
Thank you,
But it's very
Lord,
familiar sa
for this
mga nakainin ko na
moments
ibili daily.
here in
Sakto lang, pero
Italy.
masarap yung sauce.
Pag naghahanap kayo ng baggage storage or luggage storage, kasi hindi pa kayo makapag-check-in, meron dito, just right across the Roma Termini. Hanapin nyo lang yung mga ganyang sign. Yan, oh. I think you have to download the Bounce app.
So, ito yung room namin. I mean, ito yung apartment namin. So, ito lang siya. May reception dyan, guys. Kami. Then, ito may kusina dito, guys. It's a common kitchen. Ay, libre ng mga anik-anik dyan. Oh, pwede ka din maglaba. Ganda ng ganda ng apartment nila. So, here's our room. Pag nandito kayo sa Roma, you might want to book this Airbnb. Kasi convenient. May malapit na money changer, malapit sa bus station and train station. So, check it out if you're planning to go here in Rome. Good morning, guys. It's November 20 and it's our last day here in Rome. At ito, nagprepare na kami to hop on the bus. Last minute preparation na lang. Time check pala. It's 4:20 in the morning, so we still have an hour to prepare before we ride the bus to Fiumicino. Ano sa tayo pag-pronounce? Fiumicino? Fiumicino. Wait lang dyan. Ayun, Fiumicino International Airport. Doon kami papunta. And again, our flight is with Etihad, which nakuha namin on sale. We're very lucky to get the cheapest price. Mga around 1,000 dirhams lang ata ang 1,1 ang pagkabili namin nun per person with 23 kg baggage na yun. So we're very fortunate to get that price. Mahal pa naman pag Etihad. Mag-Wizz Air sana kami, but when we found out that Etihad is on sale, Etihad nang, syempre, doon kami sa Etihad. But Wizz Air is also nice. Yun nga lang, budget airline yun. Pag galing ka ng Abu Dhabi. So, parang dito, yun ang, equivalent ng Cebu Pacific. So, ayan, medyo maga pa yung mukha natin kasi kagigising lang natin. And I can't wait to go home and embrace my son. So, that's it. Hindi na ako nakapag-end kagabi because I'm too tired and too full from the carbonara we ate last night. And sadly, yun nga, this is our last day. But I'm also happy kasi pauwi na din kami. And I'll be missing Rome and everything. Nagsisipanks ako sa tour leader namin, si Roma. Parang naririnig ko pa rin yung voice niya every time we regroup. So, nakakasipanks pala yun, no? And we're so grateful for Expat Explorer. So, pag I highly recommend their tours. Very professional, very organized, and very affordable din actually kung iisipin mo yung mga yung all the hotels that we stayed and the tours that that we experience, yung mga excursion that we experience, although additional expenses yun. Pero along the way, parang na-experience mo na yung Europe, even if it's just a quick one. Ang bilis nga lang ng 10 days, diba? Imagine, that was 10 days already. So, diba? Amazing. Ayun, so, I recommend that you book them, save up, and book them. Yun lang ang masasabi ko. We're here at the airport bus stop. And 5:20 dapat. Naglo-load na. It's already 5:20, past 5:20, and wala pa rin yung bus. So, sana hindi malate ang bus namin because medyo malayo-layo pa tong Rome to Fiumicino Airport. So, yan. My crew, my ducklings. And then nandyan pa, may pila pa dyan somewhere. So, I hope to be on time. That's our bus, guys. So guys, we're now at the airport. Almost 40 minutes lang ang biyahe from Rome to Fiumicino Airport by bus. So okay lang din. We're just right on time. We're now here at the Plaza Premium Lounge, waiting for our flight. Naka-avail kami sa lounge because of my Fab credit card. This is not a sponsored video, ha. I'm just grateful na there's a privilege like this for Fab credit card holders. And ayun, this is my breakfast. Kasi wala pa kaming breakfast. It's been an adventure. Imagine 13 days adventure here in Europe. And dati napapanaginipan ko lang yung ganito. But now my dreams came true. And sana maulit-ulit to, this time with my son and again with my family. And thank you for watching my videos, my Europe video series. Thank you for coming with me in our Europe adventure, and I hope you watch my future videos. Malay mo, makabalik kami dito sa Europe again, on another part of Europe like the Balkan region, Western Europe. So thank you so much. See you guys in Abu Dhabi. Bye bye.